Are you marketing automation, pricing, dropship automation, shipping, warehouse, order, or inventory management software provider? Want to connect your solution with various shopping platforms? Integration with OpenCart is a must-have for any SaaS provider who works with retailers. Connection with OpenCart allows getting access to more than 300,000 store owners who use this platform for their business and increase your profits by several times. However, developing the integration with OpenCart requires a lot of time and money, further maintenance and updating. There is a solution that can connect your software with more than 40 shopping platforms easily. API2Cart, Unified Shopping Platform API Integration Interface. To work with OpenCart eStore's data using API2Cart, you need to do a few things. Step 1. Register API2Cart account. Step 2. Add a store based on OpenCart. Step 3. Upload the connection bridge to your customer store. Step 4. Enter the store key generated by OpenCart plugin. Step 5. Use all API methods supported for OpenCart to work with the store. Integrating with API2Cart automatically will connect your software with Magento, Shopify, WooCommerce, eBay, and the other supported shopping platforms. Try API2Cart for 30 days for free now.